Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this low-calorie dessert, cheesecake cups, and it's really high in protein actually. So let's get straight onto it. Very minimal ingredients. You're going to need Greek yogurt. I'm using 0% fat, and obviously it doesn't have any added flavorings or anything. It's just your typical Greek yogurt. You're going to need confectioner's sugar. I'm using SWERVE, and then sweetener of choice. I'm using MONFRUIT. And this is the JELLO packaging cheesecake thing. It's sugar-free. Just make sure it says sugar-free and you should be set. You're also going to need some berries. I'm doing double portion here, but what I list in the description box is going to be for one portion. So I'm doing for two. If you want to do for two people or whatever, double, triple it, you do you. So for our jam part, it's really simple. I'm just going to add my sweetener and then some water, bring it to a boil and let it cool. And then for the cheesecake part, it's also super simple. And what I love about it, you don't have to bake it. You literally just add your cheesecake mix into your yogurt. And I also add a little bit milk. I did realize I didn't show it in the beginning, but I'm using almond milk as my preference. It's just lower in calories than if I were to use oat milk or other milk. And I add little by little because if not, it just splashes in my face. You want to go ahead and mix, and that's it. Super, super easy. You are more than welcome to add some vanilla protein powder if that's what you choose and you want to make it even higher in protein. I personally like it like this, but like I said, you can go ahead and use it. The only way I really have my protein powder is in my pancakes or oatmeal. It's just mainly in my breakfast where I use my my protein powder, but you can go ahead if you're more strict about having higher protein stuff, you can go ahead and do that. And then you just want to divide it. Well, I'm going to divide it. You're going to add it into your single cup serving wherever you're going to put it, but I'm going to divide mine in my 2 cups. You could do a much prettier job than me. I kind of made like a mess trying to be all cute, making them cute, and I ended up making a bigger mess than it was already. So you want to pop these in the fridge for 30 minutes. It really does not need any longer. Texture's already there, but go ahead and add it 30 minutes, and then meanwhile our strawberry mixture is cooling down. I literally just smashed them up with a fork like after it was majority of the water had evaporated, and that's it. So as far as for decoration on these, I'm just going to add a little bit of Cool Whip. Well, not Cool Whip. I added, it's some whipping cream. It comes, like, I don't know. But it's almond milk base. It's really good. I really like it. It has the same amount of calories as the other one. Don't think I use it because it's lower calories, because it literally has the same amount of calories. And I'm going to add my graham crackers on top. I personally like using this brand, Simple Mills. I feel like it has a better flavor than Kodiak. Don't get me wrong, I love Kodiak, and you can use them. Kodiak actually has a little bit less calories than these. I think it's like 20 calories less per portion. Keep that in mind. But I use Simple Mills a lot for my kids. I'm not super strict with myself about using really clean brands. I mean, sometimes I pick my battles. There's some things that are going to be low in calories that keep me in my maintenance goal. And then there's others that doesn't. But for my kids, I'm very strict. I'm very picky with them. And I really like this brand because they're really, really clean ingredients. So that I know. And that's it. The only thing that's not going to be included in the macros is that strawberry on top. I literally just added it for decoration purposes. That's not included in the macros, but you guys know. Berries itself, they're really, really low calories. It doesn't bother me, but whatever's going to be listed down below will be just for the cheesecake cup itself, whipped cream, graham crackers, everything, except that berry on top. If you want to see more videos like this, full what I eat in a day videos, make sure to go to my TikTok account. I post those kind of videos over there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and like I mentioned, everything will be listed down in the description box, so you can go ahead and screenshot it and make it yourself.